Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to build a custom search engine. A custom search engine is a search engine that is built to meet the specific needs of a user or an organization. Let's say you want to build a search engine that only returns responses from resources or documentation within the company's website. In that case, building a custom search engine might be a better option. So in this video, I will show you how to use Google Programmable Search Engine to create a custom search site. We will also try to build our own custom Netflix search engine in Notion. Okay, to create a custom Google search engine, you need to visit the Google Programmable Search Engine website. Once you're there, click on Create Search Engine button. So this will take you to the setup. As a first step, you have to set the search engine name and you will automatically get a search engine ID and a public URL that you can share with others. Next step is to create or set up the search features. This includes setting up whether you want to enable search, safe search, or you want to search only images, which regions, which sites to include, websites to include in the search, and which sites to exclude. Let's say you want to create a custom search engine that only shows results from the internal company websites. In that case, you include them in the list of sites to search. Once you have done that, you can customize the look and feel of how the search engine will be viewed when you share it with the users. After all this is done, if you share this URL with the users, then they will be seeing something like this, where they can type a query that they want, and the responses will be programmed according to the setup that you have made. So this is how you can build a custom search engine with Google. Next, we will try to build a custom search for Netflix movies and TV shows in Notion. And to do that, we'll have to download some files that will be used in the project. Okay, the first thing we need to download is the Netflix brand images. So you can find these on brand.netflix.com, where they'll allow you to download the logo in high quality and the background image that you always see when you log in into Netflix. So this will be used as a page cover in our Notion website. Next, we need a very good database of movies and TV shows that are available on Netflix. So you can find a lot of them on Kaggle, and this one particularly has about 8,000 movies and TV shows that were released mid 2021 starting. So this is a tabular data set with all the required information. So we will be using this database to build the search engine. Now we will set up the database in Notion. First, you have to import the dataset that we downloaded from Kaggle into Notion. This will automatically create a new database and then it will show as a table. Next, I have set the title field as the key here, and then we will change the view. I'm changing the layout to gallery so that it looks better. Next, we will group the all these cards. You can do it by any of the fields here. I will do it by maybe rating. We can see that the movies are now grouped by the rating. So this looks much better. We can also group by maybe the type of show it is, whether it's a TV show or a movie. Okay, now that we've set up a group by field as well, the next thing would be to test the search. Because Notion's database comes with a very good inbuilt search feature, a lot of our problems related to search have already been solved. Let's say I type the word life. It will automatically filter by the words or movie titles or TV shows that have the word life in either the title or in the description. One way to improve the appearance would be to set a image or the thumbnail for all these cards here. So this will look more and more like the uh, Netflix search that we see. Once you're happy with the setup, click on share and then publish. Here, if you publish your site, it will create a link that you can share with everyone. That's it for this tutorial. In this video, we have seen how to use Google's programmable search engine to create your own custom search and how to use Notion to set up a database of movies and TV shows and try to emulate the Netflix search engine. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please let me know. Thank you.